Have you ever thought that a simple marble could travel the world? This story hides a great moral that you'll discover right at the end. In a small forgotten workshop lived Brillita, a glass marble with rainbow sparks inside. No one ever chose her to play. Each day she watched children pick other marbles, dull and plain, while she rolled alone in a dusty corner. "Why does no one choose me?" Brillita wondered. Her colors seemed too strange, and her shine scared some away. One day, Leo, a curious boy with big glasses and a torn pocket, entered the workshop looking for something he didn't know he needed. As he searched through old boxes, the sunset light fell on Brillita, making a rainbow dance across the room. Fascinated, Leo held her in his hands. "You're perfect!" he exclaimed, and without a second thought, he slipped her into his worn-out pocket. From that day, Brillita lived 1,000 adventures. She rode bicycles, climbed tall hills, and crossed streams in Leo's pocket. But one day, in a strong wind, the torn pocket gave way, and Brillita rolled downhill without Leo noticing. Brillita rolled and rolled until she lost sight of Leo. She stopped in a far field under the shade of an old oak tree. Crying crystal tears, she wished she had never left the workshop. What if her journey had ended forever? But then, a playful breeze pushed her gently toward a hole at the base of the oak. Curious, Brillita let herself be carried. She fell into a secret tunnel full of glowing roots. Each root had tiny shining doors, and from one came Dintel. Dintel was a beetle with a golden shell and spiral-shaped antennae. "Looking for a new path?" he asked with a sweet voice. "I've lost my friend," Brillita replied. Dintel smiled. "Sometimes getting lost is the best way to find yourself." Without another word, Dintel pushed her with his strong legs toward a hidden passage. Brillita rolled out to the other side of the world. She found herself on a beach of violet sands and a sea that sang as the waves broke. She had never seen such a beautiful place. There, a group of children played barefoot. A girl with blue braids found Brillita among the dunes and held her up in wonder. "This is the most beautiful marble I've ever seen," the girl shouted, calling all her friends. Brillita felt special again. Every child who held her seemed to see a different world inside her. Some saw a forest, others a starry sky. From that day, Brillita traveled from pocket to pocket, crossing seas, deserts, and mountains belonging to no one. She became the most traveled marble in the world, always bringing smiles and wonder wherever she arrived. Despite her adventures, every night under the starlit sky, she remembered Leo and wondered if they would meet again. 1 year later, in a colorful market of a distant city, Brillita accidentally rolled and bumped into some old boots. Looking up, she saw a familiar pair of big glasses. It was Leo. He was taller now, with a new pocket, this time well-stitched. Leo held her in his hands, surprised and happy. "I never stopped looking for you," he exclaimed with a smile as big as the sky. From then on, Brillita and Leo traveled the world together, sharing stories, joys, and discovering new horizons. Brillita had learned that getting lost had led her to wonderful places and people she never could have imagined. And though she returned to Leo's pocket, she no longer feared getting lost, for she now knew how to find her way back. Whenever a sad child crossed her path, Brillita would roll toward them, reminding them that even losses bring new gifts. Moral: sometimes, losing your way is the best way to discover new paths and reconnect with what you truly love. See you very soon with more magical stories that will take you to incredible worlds.